Hey everyone, welcome to Hype Tech Picks. If you're looking to organize your workspace or upgrade your garage setup with a durable, well-designed tool chest, this video's for you. Today, we're checking out the top 5 best tool chests, carefully chosen for their storage capacity, build quality, mobility, and overall value. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. All right, let's get started. Number 1. Goplus 5-drawer tool chest with wheels. First up is the Goplus 5-drawer tool chest, a fantastic starting point for anyone needing solid organization on the move. What really makes this unit stand out is its clever 2-in-1 design. The top toolbox easily detaches from the main rolling cabinet, giving you the flexibility to take your most essential tools right to your work area. The 5 drawers and 2 trays offer plenty of room to sort everything from screwdrivers to power tools, while the adjustable bottom shelf creates space for those awkwardly shaped items that never seem to fit anywhere. Moving it around is absolutely effortless thanks to 4 smooth rolling casters, with 2 featuring reliable brakes to keep everything locked in place when you need stability. The premium powder-coated steel construction resists rust and wipes clean in seconds, while the protective EVA drawer liners keep your tools from rattling around and getting damaged. For homeowners and DIYers who appreciate smart design without complexity, the Goplus delivers outstanding practicality. Number 2. INTERGREAT 8 drawers tool chest. If you're dealing with a growing tool collection that needs serious organization, the INTERGREAT 8-drawer tool chest might be your perfect match. This robust unit features not just 1 or 2, but 8 carefully sized drawers that let you separate everything from bulky power tools to tiny electrical connectors. The powder-coated steel finish isn't just for looks. It actively fights off scratches, dents, and the corrosion that plagues cheaper cabinets in humid garage environments. Like our previous pick, it features that brilliant detachable design, splitting into a portable top box and rolling bottom cabinet that can be locked separately for added security. The 4 universal casters make light work of moving your entire toolkit across concrete floors, while the 8 side hooks provide instant access to the tools you reach for constantly. Each drawer comes lined with protective EVA padding that cushions your investments and reduces noise. For the serious hobbyist or professional mechanic who needs both capacity and security, the INTERGREAT stands ready to bring order to the chaos. Number 3. Granper 7-drawer rolling tool chest. The Granper 7-drawer rolling tool chest brings industrial-grade durability to home workshops and professional garages alike. Built from tough, cold-rolled steel with a corrosion-resistant finish, this thing is engineered to withstand years of daily use without showing its age. The 7 smooth-gliding drawers are a dream to work with, effortlessly accommodating everything from bulky wrenches to delicate measuring instruments while keeping them perfectly organized and accessible. Mobility is where this model really shines, featuring upgraded 4-inch wheels that roll smoothly over uneven concrete and transition effortlessly across different floor surfaces. The 2 locking casters provide rock-solid stability when you're pulling tools in and out, ensuring the entire unit stays exactly where you need it. The streamlined design isn't just about looks, it creates a logical workflow where every tool has its designated home, dramatically reducing time spent searching for what you need. If you value rugged construction and smooth operation above all else, the Granper delivers exceptional performance. Number 4. Oakcloud 8-drawer rolling tool cabinet. Organization takes center stage with the Oakcloud 8-drawer rolling tool cabinet, which feels like it was designed by someone who actually uses tools every day. The 8 sliding drawers, combined with a spacious bottom cabinet, create a versatile storage system that handles everything from deep socket sets to slender screwdrivers. The detachable top toolbox is perfect for gathering what you need for a specific job and carrying it right to your workbench. 4 360-degree swivel casters make maneuvering this cabinet through crowded workshops surprisingly easy, while the locking casters provide stability when you need it.
Security is well thought out, with dual locks protecting both the top and bottom sections from curious hands or accidental spills. The pre-assembled design gets you up and running in minutes rather than hours, and the removable EVA drawer liners both protect your tools and keep them from sliding around noisily. For anyone who appreciates thoughtful details and efficient design, the Oakcloud is a brilliant choice.
Number 5. INTERGREAT Tool Chest. Rounding out our list is another INTERGREAT model that perfects the balance between massive capacity and everyday usability. The 8 drawers in multiple sizes, 2 large, 3 medium, and 3 small, provide incredibly flexible storage that adapts to your specific tool collection rather than forcing you to adapt to it. The premium steel construction with powder-coated finish ensures this chest will still look great after years of hard use in demanding environments. The detachable top box nests neatly into the bottom cabinet for compact storage, then lifts out easily when you need portable access to your most important tools. 4 universal casters with 2 brakes provide the perfect combination of mobility and stability, while the thoughtful side hooks keep frequently used items instantly accessible. The protective EVA drawer liners cushion your tools and reduce operational noise, creating a more pleasant workshop experience. For anyone seeking a versatile, heavy-duty storage solution that grows with their skills, this INTERGREAT model represents outstanding long-term value. And that wraps up our picks for the top 5 best tool chests. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest gear reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.